Good afternoon po. Thank you for joining us today. Before we begin, we'd like to introduce ourselves.
Hello, I am Faith Angela C. Mendoza.
Good afternoon.
Hello,
My name is Mian Moncada.
hello, and I am James Philip Eleanor.
I'm Pauline Ramos.
Good afternoon, Doc. I'm Regine Garcia.
My name is Rian Calamisan.
My name is Shaina Bea Dorol.
I am Sofia Nicole O. Mateo.
And I'm Angela Villanueva. We are from Chinese General Hospital Colleges, Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Section 1B, Group 3. This interview is part of our project aimed at building connections with healthcare professionals and exploring careers in science and technology. As future nurses, we want to understand the opportunities and challenges in different fields, including midwifery, and how these professions impact both individuals and society. With that, we'd like to ask for your consent to record this interview. The recording may also be shared on our YouTube channel to promote awareness and professional collaboration. Do we have your permission to record and share this interview?
Yes, you have my permission.
Okay, thank you. Let's get started. But first, please introduce yourself po.
I am John Salveto Rivas, RM BSN.
So, sir, for our first question, what is your profession?
My profession is about giving assisting in giving birth sa akong registradong midwife, no? Nagpe-prenatal check-up, nag-assist during labor, and nagva-vaccine sa mga bata. And nagiging teacher din.
Alright, thank you, sir. For our next question, where did you complete Bachelor of Science in Midwifery?
I graduated my Bachelor of Science in Midwifery sa Mary Charles College this past year lang.
Alright, sir. For my follow-up question, may I ask you if any postgraduate degrees such as a master's degree? And if so, where do you plan to complete them or accomplish them?
As of now, nagplano pa lang ako last year na masteral, pero hindi na kayanan ng budget. Nakalimutan ko yung school kasi ni Ma'am Ai. Dun sa naniyaya niya kasi ako para maging kaklase niya rin ako para sabay kami gagraduate. Pero as of now nga, yung budget is limited pa kaya hindi ako nakapag-take ng masteral.
Sir, what about in a hospital setting? What are the scope and responsibilities of a midwife?
Okay, regarding the scope and responsibility ng ating midwife sa isang hospital setup, dun papasok yung RA 7392, which is yung batas namin kung hanggang saan lang ba yung kaya namin i-provide sa isang clinic or hospital, no? Diyan papasok ang pagiging prenatal check-up, post prenatal check-up, and ang pagiging pagbibigay ng vaccine, mga pagsusulat ng mga papeles. Ayun lang yung pwede namin gawin. Bawal pa kami mag-assist sa cesarean. Pero during taking Bachelor of Science in Midwifery, pwede na kami mag-assist sa BSM. Sa cesarean session, no? Pero ayun nga, ang pinaka problema ngayon is hindi pa updated yung 7392 natin. Kaya inaantay na lang namin para mapalawak lalo yung field ng isang midwife sa isang hospital setup.
So, why did you choose midwifery po?
Ayan yung magandang tanong na nasasagot natin kasi nga una sa lahat, 4 kami magkakapatid and 2 doon babae, which is bata pa sila. Ang mother ko is pa-retired na, no? So walang magmamana ng clinic. And sinabi niya sa akin na mag-midwifery ka para at least secured na yung, yung business natin. That's why I take. Pero unti-unti ko naman siya nagugustuhan ngayon.
Do you think po ba na midwifery field is acknowledged or appreciated in the Philippines? Why or why not?
Regarding that question is, una, acknowledge ang ating midwifery sa Pilipinas kasi nga, meron tayo licensure examination and inaano tayo ng batas ng Pilipinas. Pero acknowledgement, ay nga, parang hindi siya ganun ka-acknowledge. Kasi usually, hindi masyadong kilala ang isang midwife sa isang community. Maliban na lang kung magpakilala siya. Laging tinatawag ng nurse ang midwife during nasa community. Magugulat na lang sila, ay, midwife pala, meron pala ganyang profession. So doon palang makikita natin na hindi masyadong kilala ang midwife sa ibang community or sa isang hospital setup. Pangalawa, yung opportunity sa hospital. Katulad niyan, imbis na ang title nila sa work is midwife, ang title nila is nurse assistant. So, underappreciated siya sa Pilipinas. Ano yung masasabi?
I would like to ask if what are the pros and cons of the midwifery in the Philippines po?
The cons is mababa ang ating sahod sa midwife. Kahit saan namang health profession, mababa ang sahod. Pero ang ano talaga is yun sa midwife, sobrang baba niya. It's either kahit government or private, sobrang baba niya. And yung siguro yung yung mga task, no? Kasi nga kung sa hospital setup ka, limited lang. Kasi nga under 7392, ayun lang yung magiging scope ng isang midwife. Kaya ngayon, hindi siya pwedeng umangat para mataasan yung sahod. Pangalawa, siguro konting kulang yung knowledge ng mga tao sa midwife. Ayun. And yung pros natin, maraming opportunities. Like, pwede kang magturo, pwede kang maging vaccinator, pwede kang magtrabaho sa government, pwede ka rin magkaroon ng isang business na paanakan. Ayun. Ayun yung mga pros and cons.
For the next question po, do you see midwifery as a profession, a mission, a passion, or a vocation?
For me, as a midwife, kailangan mo magkaroon ng yung apat na yun. Kasi kung yung apat na yun hindi nasa iyo during, lalo na kapag nag-outtaking ka na, mararamdaman mo yun na kailangan ko maging passionate, kailangan ko maging magkaroon ng vocation dito sa course na to. Kasi hindi ka mag-excel or hindi mo magugustuhan yung trabaho mo kung yung apat na yun ay nawawala. Mababurnout ka lang lagi. Ayun yung mangyayari kung hindi mo minamahal yung trabaho mo. So, ayun, kailangan yung apat na yun.
Finally, what advice would you give to current and future midwifery students?
Regarding sa advice ko, mag-further research and mag-aral pa ng bukod sa scope mo, no? Para at least in case na may mangyari na hindi mo wala yung mga doctor or nurses, alam mo yung gagawin mo. Pero within dapat knowledge ng mga kapwa mong nurse or doctor, ipapaalam mo sa kanila. And huwag kang papa-api na, midwife ka lang, ganyan. Isa ang registered midwife, ayun yung tatandaan mo. Isa yung rehistrado, kaya dapat tumindig ka. Ayun lang masasabi ko. And ayun, good luck sa ating future midwives. Naway pumasa kayo sa board exam. Ayun lang po.
Okay, that concludes our interview. Thank you for sharing your insights and experiences with us. This will help us build connections and gain a deeper understanding of different healthcare careers and their impact on society. Once again, we appreciate your time and contribution. Thank you very much.